Hey tool enthusiasts! Welcome to DIY Tools and Equipment. Today we're revealing 20 essential power tools worth buying that you absolutely won't regret. Whether you're building your first workshop or upgrading your collection, these best power tools for homeowners deliver incredible value. From power tools for beginners to professional-grade equipment, we've tested everything. These are the best power tools that will transform how you tackle projects. If you're wondering which power tools are actually worth your money, this is the definitive guide. Let's dive into 20 must-have tools that will serve you for decades. Every DIY project demands a reliable, versatile drill for effortless work on wood, metal, or plastic. The Rida cordless power drill delivers power and precision with its 40 Nm maximum torque and 1/2-inch metal keyless chuck. Featuring 25+1 torque settings, 2 variable speed modes, and a forward and reverse switch. It adapts to soft and hard materials with ease, with 0 to 400 revolutions per minute at low speed and 0 to 1500 revolutions per minute at high speed. Built for durability, it is drop-proof, waterproof, and equipped with an LED work light for visibility in tight spaces. Powered by a 2.0 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery with a fast charger and 3 LED lights power indicator, it's the ultimate DIY partner for woodworking, furniture making, and general home projects. Accurate and efficient cutting of PEX, PPR, PE, or PP tubing is essential for plumbing and home repairs. The WORKPRO PEX Cutter delivers precision and ease with a 1/8 inch to 1 5/8 inch cutting capacity and spring-loaded design for quick, one-hand operation. Built from durable aluminum alloy steel with a 7CR17M OV blade, it resists rust, bending, and breakage while providing even straight cuts. The reinforced nylon stand allows vertical or level cuts, while 30-degree and 45-degree angled cutting accommodates rectangular cord covers. Lightweight and labor-saving, this cutter improves work efficiency, reduces fatigue, and is ideal for home plumbing, professional repairs, and tubing projects. Building strong, code-compliant connections quickly is essential for modern construction projects. The FrameFAST structural framing system replaces traditional hurricane ties with fully threaded 6-inch structural screws, eliminating the need for compressors, nail guns, or hoses. Featuring an improved Torx TTAP drive system and alignment guide, it ensures precise installation for truss-to-top plate, deck joist-to-beam, wall studs, floor-to-floor uplift, and jack stud connections. This system installs up to 5 times faster, delivering durable, long-lasting structural support backed by FastenMaster's Project Life Guarantee. Each box includes a TTAP driver bit and alignment guide, making fast, accurate framing, decking, and structural projects easier, safer, and more efficient than ever. Clearing heavy snow quickly and safely is crucial for winter maintenance. The CRAFTSMAN Snowblower Select Series 28 delivers hard-working performance with a 272cc engine and electric start for effortless operation. Its angled front housing directs snow efficiently into the rugged steel augers, which feature an aggressive sawtooth profile to cut through heavy snow and ice. Dual LED headlights enhance visibility, while the high-position steel shoe crank and remote shift pitch lever offer precise control. The Comfort Grip shift lever enables easy speed changes, making this snowblower ideal for driveways, sidewalks, and large outdoor spaces, ensuring fast, efficient, and reliable snow removal every winter. Lifting heavy glass, tiles, or metal surfaces safely and efficiently is essential for any professional or DIY project. The SHIJING Suction Cup tool is a heavy-duty vacuum lifter with a digital pressure gauge offering 661 pounds max load capacity and dual-mode operation. Automatic suction with a press of a button or manual hand pump backup. Its dual material pads, hard rubber for smooth surfaces and soft for rough textures, provide powerful adsorption, while one-touch quick deflation and Type-C charging ensure convenience. Ideal for glass, granite, metal, and windows, this smart suction cup combines precision, safety, and versatility, making it perfect for construction, auto, and installation tasks. Achieving fast, precise, and consistent welds on thermoplastic materials is essential for professional quality results. The Heisslufttechnik Leister VARIANT is a self-propelled welding machine designed for Spriegel welding, tape welding, overlap welding, and anti-vandalism applications. Featuring a dual nozzle system and adjustable welding width from 80 to 400 millimeters, it delivers high-speed welding up to 20 meters per minute with brushless motors for efficiency. The machine ensures safe standing operation, automated blower and material lift control, precise regulation of speed, temperature, and airflow, plus automatic start-stop and heater cooling. Ideal for banners, tarpaulins, construction foils, and biogas membranes, it maximizes productivity with high welding precision and intuitive operation. Precision and stability are crucial when working on woodworking, metal, or pipe projects. The IQ Vise is a 360-degree articulating bench vise constructed from hardened steel and cast aluminum, offering strength, durability, and lightweight portability. Its 8-position locking ball and socket allows infinite angles with the Quick Cam feature, handling up to 130 foot-pounds of torque. Equipped with double-sided flex-fit jaws, textured rubber for wood and flat objects, grooved for pipes, this vise ensures a secure grip. Compatible with IQ Connect accessories like work lights or magnifiers, it provides unmatched versatility for woodworking, pipework, and DIY home improvement projects, delivering precision and efficiency in every task. Tackling tough bolts and screws requires power, precision, and portability. The WOKIN impact wrench delivers all three with its brushless motor for long life and 200 Nm maximum torque, making it ideal for demanding jobs. Featuring a 1/2-inch square drive, a 1/4-inch quick-release hex shank, and a 3-speed plus auto speed selector, it offers variable speed control for precise fastening. The forward/reverse switch and trigger enhance usability, while the integrated LED work light and LED battery power indicator make low-light tasks easy. With an ergonomic handle, durable metal housing, a 2-ampere-hour battery, a fast charger, and a carrying case included, this tool is perfect for auto, construction, and DIY projects. When precision welding in tight or sensitive environments is essential, reliability and control matter most. The AXXAIR welding machines are expertly engineered for high-duty cycle orbital welding of tubes and microfittings, even in the most confined spaces. Featuring a compact design with quick connect stainless steel collets and a quick fit cassette system, setup is fast and efficient. These machines offer grease-free operation, making them clean room compatible, and provide optimized inert gas diffusion for welds with minimal coloration. With air or water cooling options, integrated remote control, and shockproof transport case, AXXAIR welders ensure precision, safety, and versatility for professional stainless steel, tubing, and micro-fitting applications. When tackling demanding coring jobs, precision and power are everything. The Hilti diamond drilling tool is a heavy-duty diamond drilling system designed for ultimate control and efficiency. Featuring an Autofeed unit, keyless quick-lock solutions, and easy setup, it streamlines drilling in concrete and reinforced structures. Its digital display with smart features ensures real-time performance monitoring, while Bluetooth connectivity enables a self-optimizing system that's centrally monitored via DD250-CA. With multiple mounting positions and assisted drilling technology, users achieve smooth, accurate results every time. Perfect for professional coring, anchoring, and heavy construction applications, this tool delivers power, intelligence, and productivity in one system. When working with tough materials, precision and durability make all the difference. The Starrett Fastcut bimetal hole saws deliver smooth, accurate cutting across metal, steel, and wood, combining precision, quality, and innovation in one tool. Featuring abrasion-resistant high-speed steel teeth and a tough alloy body, they ensure long-lasting performance and clean, consistent cuts through even the hardest materials. The straight 5.5-pitch tooth design reduces vibration, user fatigue, and snagging, ideal for sheet metal, corrugated steel, or interrupted cuts. With a 1 5/8 inches diameter and depth, these bimetal hole saws are perfect for professionals and DIYers alike, providing fast, smooth drilling for metalworking and woodworking projects with superior control. Tough concrete jobs demand raw power and precision to get the work done right. The VEVOR Demolition Hammer delivers both, featuring a max 1,400-watt heavy-duty motor with 19 joules of impact energy and up to 2,900 blows per minute for fast, efficient results in concrete, brick, and tile work. Built with a high-strength alloy chuck and shock-absorbing handle, it ensures durability, comfort, and safety during long hours of use. The 360-degree rotary handle enhances control in tight spaces, while the advanced cooling system keeps the motor running strong under pressure. Equipped with multiple chisels and a portable case, this electric jackhammer is ideal for demolition, trenching, and chipping, a true powerhouse for pros and DIYers alike. Breaking through concrete and pavement requires unstoppable force and total control. The Berserker jackhammer delivers both with its 1,700-watt, 14-ampere heavy-duty motor, producing 55 joules of impact energy at 1,900 blows per minute for maximum demolition power. Featuring a 1 3/16-inch hex shank bit system for quick, tool-free changes and double insulation for enhanced safety, this electric demolition hammer is built for demanding jobs. Its 360-degree adjustable handle, ergonomic two-handed design, and anti-vibration technology ensure comfort and precision during extended use. Complete with flat and bullpoint chisels in a sturdy carrying case, this 30-pound jackhammer is perfect for breaking concrete, asphalt, and stone with unmatched efficiency and control. Cutting through wood or plastic demands precision, power, and safety in every move. The Yunirvana Circular Saw delivers all that with its 11-ampere pure copper motor, reaching 6,000 revolutions per minute for smooth, full-size cutting performance. Designed for professional carpentry and do-it-yourself projects, it slices effortlessly through wood, plastic, metal panels, and flooring. Featuring adjustable depth and 0 to 45 degrees bevel tilt, it achieves 62 millimeters depth at 90 degrees and 46 millimeters at 45 degrees, offering flexible cutting angles. The parallel guide ensures accurate cuts, while the dust blower keeps your line clear for better visibility. With a dual safety switch and protective blade guard, this 7 1/4-inch circular saw ensures safe, reliable, and precise operation every time. Tough jobs demand precision, power, and speed, not just effort. The Rockwell Oscillating Multi-Tool redefines performance with its Sonicrafter F30 and F50 series, engineered to work twice as fast as the nearest competitor. Featuring a high-power motor with constant speed control, it never quits under pressure, delivering smooth, efficient results. Its vibra-free technology ensures controlled, accurate cuts, while the Hyperlock tool-free blade change system makes swapping accessories effortless. Designed for cutting, sanding, and grinding, this multi-tool's universal fit accepts blades from all major brands. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, the Rockwell Oscillating Tool gives you unmatched speed, control, and versatility for any project. Precision and efficiency are essential when working on tight or detailed cutting projects. The Yunirvana Mini Circular Saw delivers both with a 4-ampere motor that reaches 3,500 revolutions per minute, effortlessly cutting through wood, PVC tubing, laminate flooring, plastic, plasterboard, and medium-density fiberboard. Equipped with two 4 1/2-inch 24-tooth TCT blades, a laser guide, a parallel rip guide, and a bevel lever up to 45 degrees, it ensures accurate, straight, and angled cuts. The adjustable depth gauge goes up to 1 11/16 inches, and the vacuum adapter maintains precision and a dust-free workspace. Compact, lightweight, and ergonomically designed, this mini circular saw is ideal for one-handed operation, making it perfect for DIY, woodworking, and professional carpentry tasks. Keeping machinery properly lubricated is essential for smooth operation and long-term durability. The SeeSii cordless grease gun makes this task effortless with a powerful brushless motor delivering 10,000 pounds per square inch and a 4.2 ounces per minute output. Compatible with 14-ounce grease cartridges and equipped with a 39.4-inch flexible hose, it easily reaches tight or hard-to-access fittings. The super bright 1000 lumen built-in LED light ensures clear visibility in dark or confined spaces. With a simple trigger operation, air exhaustion system, and ergonomic design, the grease gun improves efficiency, reduces hand fatigue, and ensures precise grease application. Perfect for automotive, industrial, and machinery maintenance tasks. Maintaining a spotless and sanitary home without harsh chemicals is essential for family and pet safety. The Wagner handheld steam cleaner delivers chemical-free steam cleaning with 11 versatile attachments, making it perfect for a wide range of surfaces and fabrics. Its compact, lightweight design and ergonomic handle allow easy maneuverability, while the 350-milliliter water tank heats quickly, as indicated by an LED light. Use it to clean, disinfect, and refresh kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, living rooms, cars, and machinery safely. This multi-purpose steamer efficiently loosens dirt, sanitizes surfaces, and refreshes fabrics, ideal for a hygienic, eco-friendly, and pet and kid-safe home cleaning experience. Removing and repurposing nails efficiently is crucial for any woodworking or construction project. The NuMax SPNNR punch nailer is a pneumatic tool designed to punch and remove straight or bent nails from wood quickly and safely, outperforming traditional nail pullers. It handles 9 to 14 gauge nails of any length and works on floorboards, siding, pallets, crates, barn lumber, sheathing, and wood decks without causing damage. Built with a hardened steel drive blade and an ergonomic lightweight body, it ensures durability and comfort during extended use. The 360-degree adjustable exhaust directs air away from the user, making it ideal for fast, precise, and fatigue-free construction applications. Installing screws one by one can be slow and inefficient for professional projects. The FastenMaster PAMFast Autofeed system offers a faster and safer solution with smooth advancement technology, delivering consistent screw driving without jams or stripped-out bits. This whole-home fastening tool easily converts between stand-up and handheld applications, making it versatile for subfloor, drywall, decking, and other construction projects. Designed for professional contractors, it reduces labor and installation time while maintaining precision and reliability. Whether building, remodeling, or working on large-scale projects, the PAMFast Autofeed system ensures efficient, safe, and smooth screw installation, helping save time, effort, and improving overall productivity. There you have it. 20 essential power tools worth buying that you won't regret. These best power tools for homeowners are investments that pay for themselves. Which of these power tools for beginners are you adding to your workshop first? These best power tools that deliver professional results every time. Drop a comment below with your favorite. If this guide helped you choose the right must-have tools, smash that like button and subscribe to DIY Tools and Equipment for more power tools reviews. Links to everything are in the description. Thanks for watching and happy building.